Instant Pot Mexican Pasta. Start with sautéing your ground beef with onion. Sauté until it's brown. Then add in your rotel. Add in some tomato sauce. Add in your corn, your pasta, taco seasoning, and water. Give it a good stir. You want most of your pasta to be underneath some liquid. Cover it up, cook it on high pressure for 5 minutes. Do a quick release and then give it a stir. Add in your shredded cheese and give it another good stir. Add on your favorite toppings. Some more cheese. And enjoy. It's delicious.